Hi, welcome to Walker Hamster. Today I'm going to replace my wiper blades, just the rubber parts, with the OEM refills I got from a Honda dealership. What you need is a flat screwdriver. You just stick it in this slot right here and pry that open. Now you can start maneuvering this out. I'm going to put the camera down for this. As you saw, I first pushed this inward towards the car, turned, and I just pull it out. So here we have the part I just took out, and these two are the refills, the wiper blade refills. You can purchase them at your local Honda dealership part store, and I'll definitely recommend calling them ahead of time and asking for a price, because they're not all priced the same. Some dealerships are trying to charge $5, others are trying to charge $8 or more. I found one close to me that only charged $5. So the one on top here, this one is for the driver's side wipers, and this one over here, that's the part number for the passenger side. Now I'm going to replace just the rubber part for the passenger side window. So as you can see, this part opened, whereas this part is a cap over here, so just pull it this way. And the next thing you need to do is to take out the two metal, support structures. You can easily take them out. You don't need any tools or anything. Just peel it off. But as you peel it off, notice the indentations. This side has none. Over here it had one. Over here it had one towards the top. As for this side, also towards the top. And over here, it's a little further from the edge. So this is the new wiper blade refill, and as you open this up, if you open up a little bit, you can see the groove. Over here is the groove closer to the edge. Over here, there's no groove, so this one fits. You just simply slide it in. As for this side, still just double check. So over here the groove is further from the edge. So this side goes in first. And when you're all done, slide it back into this the blade part. We're not sure what we would call this. I guess it's just the case, the housing. So since my right wiper sits like this, I'm just going to slide it in this way. make sure that this slot slides in perfectly over here through these edges. You don't really need to use any force or anything. It just slides right in. Then when you get towards the edge, as you can see over here, just push down and it'll snap in. That's it. Now I can put this back onto the car. It's only drizzling outside, but let me just turn on the wipers, see how they work now. It's much better than before. There's no more, I don't see any streaks. So I'll definitely recommend using the OEM Honda parts because one, they're cheaper. If you were to buy in a whole blade replacement at like Pep Boys or AutoZone, it's about $10 a piece. Whereas with just the wiper blade refills, you can do it by yourself in less than 10 minutes, and it'll cost you anywhere from $10 to $15 for both blades. Well, thanks for watching Awkward Hamster. Please feel free to rate, comment, or subscribe.